Hey everybody, I'm Whitney. This is Being Open, and I am kind of opening up part of my life to you guys through this vlog. I am going to start going through the KonMari method. Mari Kondo, I believe is how you say her name correctly. She developed this method, I assume, a few years ago. I recently picked up the book. It's totally vibing with where I'm at in my life right now, and I'm really excited to kind of take stock of everything I have in my home and go through it and only keep around what brings me joy. So instead of looking at decluttering or getting rid of possessions, like we think of just pushing things out instead of bringing in what we want or keeping what we want close to us. The things that make us happy, the things that bring joy. So I'm starting down this path. I've pretty much binge read the book and marked it all kinds of up over the past week. I still have a little bit left, but I'm going to get started on my clothes today. So I figured, why not make a vlog about it, and you'll be with me for the next, I don't know, probably a few months while I do this. She says it takes about 6 months for an average home. I think my apartment's pretty average. I'm pretty average. I got a lot of stuff. So let's do this. And I'm excited to get started. You're going to see the mess of clothes here pretty quick and hopefully a good outcome from there. I'm kind of taking the process a little bit differently. She says to really put everything back in its place, kind of once you've done the method to your whole home. I can't just live with like nice piles of clothes everywhere, so I'm pretty much just going to try and do everything for clothes today. So basically what's going to happen is I'm taking all of the clothing out of everywhere and making a giant pile and picking each thing up and asking if it brings me joy or if I feel like it has a place in my life anymore. And if it doesn't, I thank it and release it. And if it does, I neatly, carefully fold it and take care of it and set it aside, and then it'll end up going back into wherever it belongs in my room. Yeah, let's get going. Hi guys, so KonMari method is underway. In the clothing section, it is overwhelming. So I've put out everything that falls under clothing. So accessories, scarves, hats, bags, everything but jewelry, because you'll see in a minute. I'm really kind of fucking overwhelmed right now. I'm a very tidy person. Like, I always put my coat away at the end of the day. I fold my laundry immediately and put it in the drawer. Like, everything is always very organized, and I thought tidy until I just brought it all out into the open at once. And it is honestly like, the feeling that I have right now is I just want to burn everything. Like, I don't even want to take the time and the energy and the headspace to go through each one of these things one by one and ask if it brings me joy. It's like, just light it on fire, I'll start over. But we're gonna do it. And I'm just being real with you, because I don't know if any of you have done this or gone through this, but I am really psyched about it. I'm definitely really psyched about it. But holy shit, it's like, it kind of opens you up a lot. So I'm gonna stop talking and flip the camera around and give you a little view of what this method looks like in action. Okay, so here it is. There's all my jewelry in that cute little case, so that makes me feel better. Outerwear. Shirts. This half of the bed is only tops, and what she considers tops are everything from tank tops to blouses to sweaters to cardigans, shirts. And she said this was going to be the biggest pile, and she was right. On the other side of Shirt Mountain is dresses, which I have a plethora of that is actually quite deep. Just doesn't look that deep. Okay, and then a couple suits, loungewear, socks and underwear and all that kind of stuff, and then we start getting into shoes and 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 fucking shoes everywhere. Accessories, so gloves, hats, scarves, that kind of stuff. Some more hats. A fucking mountain of bags, guys, because apparently I have a lot of bags. But look at how great, I really do love my storage in this apartment. Like, I have killer closets, and these things were jam-packed. So, and this whole dresser's empty. Let's get to work, huh? Okay, so I definitely look like I've been working. I got through shirts, tops. This is a pile of what brings me joy. There are 2 garbage bags out there and one right here that's almost full, and that's just from tops. So we're cooking. I can see part of my bed again, so that's really exciting. Let's keep doing this. Hi guys. Okay, so it's the next day. It's the day after I KonMari'd my clothing. I was exhausted yesterday, but I want to give you just a little sneak peek of what it looks like now. So here we go. Dresser. Those top 2 drawers are quote-unquote empty. They have miscellaneous like health and beauty stuff in them, so that is going to get KonMari'd in the next few weeks. So let's start there though. This is all of my tops that don't hang. In like summer and fall and every season. So it's like the heavy stuff, the sweaters, not all my sweaters though, and then t-shirts and stuff like that. This is like activewear, so gym clothes, hiking clothes, all that good stuff. Those are all my pants that don't hang. So like jeans, all my shorts, all my leggings, all in one drawer. Tank tops. And that includes like tank tops for undershirts as well as like dressy tanks. So that's all what lives in my dresser. This is closet 1. So this is like dresses, workwear, and then these are all the shelves in there. I did not pull out my underwear drawer because I did not KonMari my underwear. I did do the KonMari method for sock folding. It's right here. I just love how it looks. And maybe I'll keep up with it. I don't know if I will. Bras, pajamas, scarves, stockings, and like, you know, Spanx, because every girl needs a few pairs of those. And belts. And then shoes. These are all my shoes. You guys, I got rid of 13 pairs of shoes that no longer, quote unquote, brought me joy. I thanked them for being fabulous, and they're moving on. Second closet. So this is all like blouses, suits, blazers, long sweaters. I did not do the KonMari method of like longest, heaviest on the right or on the left, and then like getting lighter on the right. It kind of happened though, because I'm noticing like leather jacket and furs over there, and then like summer sweaters on the right. But I basically just did it by how I wear it. So like this is all work clothes, and then like skirts and pants, and then like long lazy tops that I wear on the weekends. Hats that I kept, and then sweaters, big and chunky and comfy, and then like work sweaters. Yes, there's a bag right there. Yes, it is not KonMari, whatever you want to call it. That is something that was my grandfather's that is just staying right there because it makes me happy right there. And then there's some junk up top that I gotta handle later, and some junk down below that I will handle later. KonMari method in action so far, and it feels really, 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 really good. I was exhausted yesterday. My back was killing me. Yeah, it's like, it's emotional and just like a lot of thinking, a lot of like trying to stay present and making sure like I am keeping what brings me joy. No, I'm not lying to myself right now. So I caught myself in a little bit of that too. This is where I am day after first day of KonMari, and I'm kind of tempted to jump into books today, but I think I'm going to hold off. I have some other projects that I'm working on that I need to give some love and attention to. So I think that's what's coming next. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Let me know. Let me know, honestly, like what else you want me to be open about and like vlog about or blog about or communicate to you about. Okay. Have a great day.